Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 2 to the power of 24 minus 1. So, for my solution, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 2 to the power of 12 times 2 minus 1. So all I did was I rewrote 24 as 12 times 2. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 12 times 2, I can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 12 to the power of 2. And now 1, I'm going to rewrite that as 1 squared. So now I have 2 to the power of 12 to the power of 2 minus 1 squared. And now I can use the property that states that if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is 2 to the power of 12 and b is 1. So I get 2 to the power of 12 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 12 minus 1. Now from here, we need to find the value of 2 to the power of 12. Well, 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. So this means that 2 to the power of 11 is equal to double of 1024, which is 2048. And 2 to the power of 12 is equal to double of 2048, which is 4096. So now I have 4096 plus 1 times 4096 minus 1. 4096 plus 1 is 4097, and 4096 minus 1 is 4095. Now, how would I solve this? Well, what most people would do is try to solve this by using the basic multiplication method, but this takes way too long. So a better way to solve this is actually to rewrite this as 4,000 plus 97 times 4,000 plus 95. Now, because 4,000 has so many zeros in it, it's much easier to solve this problem. So I'm going to be solving this problem by distributing. Or what I can also do, which is an easier method, is to rewrite 4,097 as 4,100 minus 3 times 4,100 minus 5. And this is also another way to rewrite this time subtraction instead of addition. But now, notice how we have 3 times 5, which is much easier to solve than 97 times 95. So now, I'm going to distribute my 4,100. So I get 4,100 squared minus 5 times 4,100. And then now I have minus 3 times 4,100 minus 3 times negative 5. So now, 4,100 squared is equal to 41 squared plus 4 zeros. 41 squared is 1,681, so I'm just going to add 4 zeros to the end there. And then minus 5 times 4,100, I can just say this is 5 times 41, which is 205, and then add 2 zeros. Minus 3 times 4,100, which is 123, and I can add 2 zeros. Minus 3 times negative 5, which is positive 15. So now from here, I get 16,810,000 minus 20,500 minus 12,300, which is equal to negative 32,800 plus 15. Now, a negative number plus a positive number is the same thing as 32,800 minus 15, which is 32,785. So now I have 16,810,000 minus 32,785, and this is equal to, I'm actually going to write this like this. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 3 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, and I have 6 and 1. So 16,787,125 is my final answer to this problem. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 500 squared minus 499 squared. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 499 plus 1 squared minus 499 squared. And if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 499 plus 1 squared is turned into 499 squared plus 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared, and I have this minus 499 squared. Now, I can cancel out 499 squared and negative 499 squared, so I'll be left with 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared. 2 times 499 is 998, times 1 is just 998, and I have this plus 1 squared, which is plus 1, and this is equal to 999. Now, I actually have another method of solving this. So I have 500 squared minus 499 squared, and this time I'm going to rewrite this as 500 squared minus 500 minus 1 squared. Now, if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is equal to, if I factor this out, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to turn into 500 squared minus 500 squared minus 2 times 500 times 1 plus b squared, which is 1 squared. So these two cancel out. However, this is actually going to be in parentheses. So the negative sign distributes. So this turns into 500 squared minus 500 squared plus 2 times 500 times 1, which is the same thing as 2 times 500, minus 1 squared. Now these two can cancel out, so I get 1,000 minus 1, which is equal to 999. So again, I get 999 as my answer.